Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna eat this soup my friend bought for me. He said it was gonna be spicy, and I don't believe him. I don't even care if they are. I gotta drain the water though, so check it out. Hang on. It's these what are they called? Volcano chicken noodles. They're gonna be spicy, but I can handle it though. It's not like it's gonna fuck me right up, but check it out. I like it. Get this water out of here now. Ah, fuck. Bastard. Here, it's all good. Just gotta drain this, right? Like this now, right? And you gotta mix this goop in there. This shit's gonna be... Ooh, that smells good. That smells really good. Thank you so much, Tyler. Like, check it out, guys. Look at this stuff coming out of here. I like it. I'm trying to get all this goop out of here. And then mix it. You have to try this right now. Look, watch this, guys. That's so good. That is really spicy, though. Yum. I'm gonna buy these more often. Oh shit, that's killer. But it's not that spicy though. These are fucking bullshit, guys. If it's not ghost pepper, it's not spicy. Even the delayed effect, it's the same. Oh well, a little spicy, but not really. But it's so good though. I would throw that on a steak, believe it or not. But I'm crazy though, so. But that's me, right? Like if you see I'm mixing it, all it did was clear out my sinuses. Ridiculous. Oh well. It's not spicy, guys. It is, but it would only be to like someone that's sensitive to spiciness. Some people can't eat it. For real, it'll make them really sick. For me though, no. Like this is just, they're just good noodles. I never even knew these existed till my friend told me. Look. How the fuck are these spicy? They're not. They're good. I never heard about these. Oh, thanks, Tyler. You're a good friend, dude. You're the best friend I ever had. You know? That and Mark and a few other buddies. Right? Buys me these. All it does, it's not even as spicy as chili oil. All it does is clear up my sinuses. I'm barely even sweating. But I love this shit though, man. Thank you, dude. Like, how are these considered spicy? All they did was make my sinuses like a little bit clearer. Oh, that's so good. Oh, these are so good, man. No way, dude. I can't believe I'm just hearing about these now. I never really checked these out on YouTube. Other people made videos of them. They're not spicy, dude. They just taste like... They kind of taste like Tabasco and Sriracha. And like a jalapeno mixed. We're good though. Like I said, I'm a crazy white boy though. I would eat spicy stuff all day. I throw chili oil on bacon. I throw chili oil, like 3 big spoonfuls in a bowl of large pho. Sometimes 5 or 10 of them. It depends, right? And if I'm feeling it that day or not. People can't believe it. They're like, how can a white guy do that? It's just me. These aren't even spicy, man. Like, I'm barely sweating, look. I recommend these, man. Holy jeez. It's because there's not that much of this stuff, though. They're so good. Bowl of pho with Vietnamese chili oil is more spicy than these. Seriously, you'd have to put a lot more of that whatever that sauce packet is in. Like, you'd have to put 5 of those packets in to make it spicier than like a bowl of pho. They're so good though. I like these. They're so awesome. These are killer. Oh. See, like, that's a bit spicy, but not really. Like the bottom and the very bottom, like right there, that's spicy, that stuff. Oh. But not at all, really. But like I said, guys, I recommend this too. Actually, I'd eat these on a regular basis. The volcano chicken noodles from Paldo, fun and yum. That's crazy hot and spicy. Got a chicken on there. It's funny. Looks hilarious. Yeah, I recommend them, guys. They're so good. Oh, so good. Like, I'm not even sweating that much. Like, my throat's not burning or nothing. I don't know, man. You know, I'll eat a raw ghost pepper. That will be spicy. I'll do it. I don't care. It just cleans out your sinuses and stuff and your throat. It's actually good for you to do that. Helps keep away cancers. Like, they're not spicy though. They're not even that spicy. Like, my lips are barely sweating. Oh, they're so good though. Thanks a lot, Tyler. Okay, guys. Well, like I said, hope you enjoyed my video, and I recommend those Paldo Fun and Yum. That's crazy hot, spicy volcano chicken noodles. Like, they're all right. My stomach's barely even feeling it. They're not hot, man. They're not. Well, guys, enjoy the video. Like, I'm sweating a bit more now, but still, whatever. They're not hot, man. Whatever, guys. I just enjoyed those. Those are so good. Cheers.